Just like your daily habits shapes your personal growth, they also shape your skin. Today, I'll show you 3 common lifestyle mistakes that could be secretly breaking you out and how to fix them. And trust me, I've been there too. Today, I'm going to challenge myself to break you out of your routine using just 3 simple things. Let's see if I can do that. Personal development is a crucial aspect of living a fulfilling life, and it's essential to break free from the limitations that hold us back. We all have the potential to grow, learn, and become the best version of ourselves. But often we get stuck in our comfort zones and miss out on the opportunities that could change our lives. Fear, doubt, and external circumstances are a few common barriers that people face when trying to break free from their limitations. It's easy to get caught up in negative self-talk, feeling like we are not good enough or that we will fail if we take a risk. But life is all about risk. Some people might be held back by their environment or the people around them, making it difficult to see a way out. Then you get those who are simply stuck in their ways, resistant to change or new ideas. Whatever the reason, it's essential to recognize these barriers and develop strategies to overcome them. Hello beauties, welcome back and thanks for coming back. I appreciate you always watching my videos. First, I want to talk about the mind-skin connection. Have you ever noticed that when you're stressed, your skin flares up? That's not a coincidence. Negative self-talk and stress increase cortisol, which triggers breakouts. I used to let self-doubt take over, and my skin paid the price. But once I started practicing self-care, journaling, meditation, and positive affirmation, most importantly, not only did my skin confidence improve, but my skin did too. So today, take one small step. Write down one thing you love about yourself and repeat it daily. Your skin will thank you for that. The second point is stop focusing on what's missing. Your skin needs balance. I know the struggle of feeling like your skincare is missing something. You keep buying more products hoping for a miracle. But just like in life, constantly checking what's missing can backfire. Instead of overloading your skin, focus on what's already working. Today, take a look at your skincare routine. What's that one product you know works for you? Once you identify that product, commit to using that one constantly or consistently instead of jumping from one product to another. The third point I'd like to share with you today is your comfort zone is breaking you out literally. I used to stick to the same routine even when my skin was clearly unhappy. Sounds familiar, right? Maybe you're afraid to try a new diet, drink more water, or switch to a simpler routine. But we all know change is necessary for growth, both in life and in skincare. Here is my challenge for you today. Do one thing differently. Not something big, just the simple things around you. Start with something like swap your pillowcase for a fresh one, drink an extra glass of water, or try skipping that one product that might be causing you irritation. Small changes leads to big results. The next point, which is very interesting to me, is visualization. See clear skin, get clear skin. What do I mean by this? If you visualize success in life, why not for your skin? Before I cleared my skin, I had to first believe that it is possible. Every night before bed, I will close my eyes and imagine my skin glowing, feeling smooth and healthy. This helped keep me motivated and stay consistent in my routine. So tonight I want you to try it. Picture your dream skin and commit to one habit that will help you get there. Another interesting point is your skin reflects your circle. Yes, you got me right. Your skin reflects your circle. Surround yourself with healthy influences. Come closer. Let's be real. If your friends don't prioritize self-care, it's very easy to fall into bad habits. Personally, I realized my skin and mindset improved when I surrounded myself with people who encouraged healthy living. So ask yourself, who in your life inspires you to take care of yourself? Send them a quick message today to let them know you appreciate them. The next interesting point is small actions, big results for your life and your skin. Clear skin and success does not happen overnight. So I'm not here to tell you do this in 2 days, your skin will be perfect. No. Clear skin and success does not happen overnight. But small daily actions add up. What's the one tiny skincare habit you can commit to right now? Maybe it's applying sunscreen every morning, removing your makeup before bed, or drinking more water. Drop your answer in the comments. I'll be cheering you up. So beauties, I love having this free conversation with you because I know how frustrating breakouts can be. But I also know that change is possible. Let's grow together inside out. Which of these habits will you start with today? Comment below and let's support each other on this journey. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to check out my videos for more skincare and lifestyle tips. You've got this. And remember to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends. Until next time, stay beautiful and inspired. Bye!